Attention please, Captain speaking. I regret to inform you that we developed a technical problem with the engine. As we look into the issue, for your safety, fasten your seatbelts immediately.
Fasten your seatbelts! Fasten your seatbelts!
This is Captain. We're forced to make an emergency landing. All passengers assume the brace position.
Keep the brace position! Brace! Brace! Brace position! Brace! Brace!
Cabin crew, evacuate! Evacuate!
Release seat belts. Take and wear the life vest. Life vest under your seat. Inflate only when leaving the aircraft. Leave all your belongings. Evacuate using the exits closer to you.
This exit seems blocked. Check the other one.
Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down. Come this way. Go to the end.
No,
Sit
you
down.
have not to inflate it now. Haven't you heard?
Go
You
to
should
the
inflate
end.
it only
Sit
when
down.
leaving the aircraft.
Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down. Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down.